Hi, this is Annelie. Today I'm just going to decoupage this shell. I'm going to put my rings and stuff in this. What I've got is I've got this shell, I've got a serviette or napkin, I've got Modge podge, I've got a brush, I've got this gold, and I already cut it out for me so that it can fit in nicely into my shell. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these, you must always check if it's a 2-ply or a 3-ply or a 2, whatever, doesn't matter. You must just make sure that you take everything off and that you've got a whitish background. Otherwise, if you've got something like that on your background and you put this on top, this will show through. So almost make sure you have got a nice bright white background. I'm not going to worry about those. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make sure if I put this in that I go up to that edge and that edge and that edge. So I've got it a little bit bigger because this is a small serviette. So all I'm going to do, I just want to make sure. This is really a very quick and easy gift to make for someone. So just make sure you go into all the grooves. The best way is to go with the little folds that this shell's got. I'm just going to make sure I go up to all the edges. And then I'm just going to lay my serviette I'm going to start from the inside to the outside. You can see I almost misjudged me there. Just going to hold that area there. So I'm going from the inside to the outside, and I'm just putting on my Modge podge again. Just be careful not to go over and over and over and over, because you can rip your serviette. Make sure you go into that little, let me just quickly take that to the outside. And then I'm just going to make sure I'm up to that edge there and inside that little hole there. And I don't go around, I just go onto the edge. So now I'm just going to quickly let this dry, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put a little bit of gold on, and then I'm finished. And it's quick and easy and fun, and you can make yourself a few. And as I said, that's nice to pop in a bag with a present or something. Okay, it's dry now, so I'm going to take a nail file, and I'm just going to go against the side. And you can see it comes off very nice and easy. So I will just speed this up. I've got one of these blocks as well, they also work. Or you can just take a piece of sandpaper. I haven't got one now with me. Yeah, you can just take a piece of sandpaper as well and just go around the edge. I just find a nail file works best for me because it's got a little bit of flex And if you take it at the angle, I think it's 45 degrees or something. Now you've got a clean shell at the back. And remember, you can always paint this white and put another serviette onto this, but I want to keep mine natural looking at the back and like this at the front. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my gold and I'm going to go around the edges. Okay, now you can take your gold, you can take gold ink, you can take gold acrylics, you can use a brush and put it on your sides. I'm just going to use this pen and I'm just going to go onto the edge of my shell, and I'm not going to worry to be too precise. So I'm just going on the edge, almost where the paper and the shell comes together. Now I'm just going to leave it to dry, and then I'll show you when this is dry. And remember, as I said, I'm going to smudge a little bit more. I like this smudgy. And you can even take a little bit on your finger. And dab it around the just now. You will touch at the back as well, but I'm not going to worry too much about that. I think I'm happy with that, so I'm just going to let it dry and then I'll come back and I'll show you. And there you've got a cute little dish for your rings, or any jewelry or something that you would, even your change or whatever you can put in this. And you can put on a little bit more gold if you like. It doesn't really matter. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I would definitely see you next time. Take care and have a lovely day and keep crafting, eh?